Hello guys, and welcome back to another video. Today's video is gonna be on a makeup haul. I went to my local Target and also to my local TJ Maxx and found some goodies that I wanted to share with you guys. So if you guys want to see my makeup haul and what I found in Target as well as TJ Maxx, then keep on watching. But before you do, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button and give this video a like if you like makeup hauls. And yeah, let's jump into this tutorial. So I went to my local Target because I was looking for the new camo concealer as well for the new putty primer. And also, you know, we end up going for one thing and end up buying other things. So I wanted to share with you guys what I found in my local Target. And I also did a stop at TJ Maxx. I wanted to basically just combine these hauls together and show you guys the little goodies that I found. If you guys are wondering, I am basically using Fenty Beauty Volume 1 palette. I love this palette. On the eyes and as a lip combination, I used a Rimmel lip liner with a Morphe gloss. I don't recall the name, but I will leave everything down in the description box below or on Instagram, so don't forget to follow me on Instagram. I'll leave it somewhere here for you guys. Jumping into this haul, let's go first to the Target. I never actually knew that Juliette was a new brand at Target. Let me know if I'm wrong and they actually had this brand at Target. It's actually my first time actually seeing one of these products with this brand, but they had some stuff. I'm not gonna say they are in the drugstore price. Have some stuff that were kind of in the drugstore price, but then some were kind of pricey. So I just picked a couple of things that I did want to try. I didn't want to go all out and splurge on this brand without actually knowing if it was good or not. So this is the Juliette Love Your Bare Face Skincare Made It Easy Starter Kit. It brings one charcoal sponge and one hydrating cleansing oil. So when you open it up, it has a little sponge that from what I see is a little wet. I don't know if you guys can see inside, but it is actually a little wet. But yeah, it brings a detoxifying bamboo charcoal powder exfoliating sponge, I guess. And then inside it also brings a little mini love your bare face hydrating cleansing oil. I've never actually used a cleansing and hydrating cleansing oil. I usually normally don't go for oils, cleansing oils, but I wanted to give it a try. This full size was about 20 bucks, like no lie. So when I saw that they actually have both combinations for $15, I was like, you know what, it's actually a deal. I can actually try the sponge and the cleansing oil at the same time and actually see how it works. I'll actually will leave any updates on my Instagram. Make sure you look down in the description box below so you can follow me on Instagram. So I also picked up two other products from the brand Juliette. This one is the Angle Brow Shading Pencil, and I got this one in warm brown. And I also picked up the Luxie Brown Building Pomade in warm brown. I wanted to try these out. These were $10 a piece. So I mean, I'm always looking for a new brow pencil, and I'm excited to actually try these products out. When the pomade looks like this, it's just like your regular pomade with like a glass packaging, and then when you open it, it looks like your typical pomade. I got this one a little lighter because I do like to outline my brows and then go in with the pencil. So the pencil is just in warm brown, and it's just your typical pencil. Looks just like this, and then when you open it up, you have your spoolie at the end. Oops, that fell. Your spoolie at the end, and then it has like this arch on the pencil part. So I'm excited to try that out as well. Oh, I totally forgot I picked up this product as well, but I also picked up the Dual Luxury Brow Powder. It's just like this, and this one is in a shade, in the color, I don't know why I keep saying shade, but this one is in the color Neutral Brown. Let me know, guys, if you have tried any of these products that I mentioned here from the brand Juliet. I would love to actually know if they are good or not, because they did have some quite new stuff. I mean, from my opinion, from what I saw, and I would like to try some more things from their brand, but I just wanted to stick with these things first before I go all out, because this is all these things I actually do purchase with my hardworking money. So I don't want to go and buy something and actually end up being disappointed and not liking the product. And the next product that I actually bought, and I bought some quite stuff from this brand, and it's from e.l.f. I love e.l.f. It's an affordable yet good brand that I feel like you can find so many good stuff from them. This one is a Glow Glam Beam Highlighter, and this one is in the color, I don't think it have a shade color. They did have some quite highlighting palettes, and these were new, or maybe I just didn't spot them before, but I actually wanted to try this out. Next product that I picked up from e.l.f. is the Poreless Putty Primer. I don't know if this one is the same one as the one that I have here. I already have this one right here, but I thought this one was a hydrating one, even though I was looking for the matte one and I didn't, but they had this one in the new display if it's the same one. I gotta look and compare, but I think I actually picked up the same putty primer, but I actually wanted to just give it a try. I haven't used the putty primer since the first one came out, and this one is already a little dry. I don't know if you guys can see that, but it is quite dry. For the matte one, I really want to try that one out. I think I'm gonna need to purchase it online, because in stores they usually tend to take a little longer when like displaying the new launches. The next two things, the last two things from e.l.f. is the 16-hour camo concealer. I picked up two shades. The first one is in light sand, and the second one is medium peach. So light sand is right here and medium peach is right there. I actually used medium peach today because I couldn't wait, and I'm actually really impressed. It kept my under eye pretty hydrated, and I can tend to crease down there. If you guys want a first impression and actually like, and throughout the day, like little tutorial, let me know. Give this video a thumbs up, and I actually will know if you guys want me to do so, and I will gladly do it for you guys. And the last thing that I actually got from Target, it is this palette from Color Story. It's called Risk Taker. It looks so beautiful. It actually has the display of the colors in the front, and I'm actually very excited to try this palette, just because I think these are one of the new affordable brands that Target has, and I never tried any of their new, like any of these palettes from Color Story. So you have your typical you know, plastic palette, nothing, you know, major. It doesn't have anything in the back besides a sticker that says Risk Taker. When you open the palette, it looks just like this. Let me remove the little plastic for you guys. So this is how the palette looks like. It is really colorful, and I cannot wait to try and, you know, go in with this palette. It looks really pretty. I want to actually swatch a couple of the colors. Let's see. Let me see how this blue, because I love blue. That looks really pigmented. It is a little powdery, Not gonna lie, when I did swatch it, but it is really pigmented. Let me go in with the like shimmers that they have. Okay, that's some color payout. I don't know if you guys can see that. Let me do one more. I want to go into this purple right here. That purple is really pretty. We're gonna move on to what I got on TJ Maxx. I didn't get that many stuff, but I did get some goodies. The first thing that I did pick up that I did saw was this NARS Sun Wash Diffusing Bronzer. It looks just like this. This was retail for $16.99, and I was actually very impressed. Believe it or not, I have never tried a NARS bronzer before, but that looks pretty nice. So I cannot wait to try this. I did pick up from TJ Maxx CC Colors Obsessed palettes. This one is in Obsessed 2 and this one is Obsessed 5. And I have bought a couple of things from CC Colors on their website, and their pigmentation is bomb.com, and they're very affordable as well. The only reason why I picked up these palettes was because it actually reminded me of the Huda Beauty little palettes that looks just like this. I'm gonna show you guys. This is how they look like. And when I opened this palette up, even though they're not a dupe because the colors are not the same, but they look so similar. Like, look at that. And the CC Color one only cost me about $2.99, so I was really impressed. And I also picked up this one that is Obsessed 5, and this one is really pretty, like really pretty. So like I said, when I did see the comparison, like the comparison is a lot. So if you guys want me to actually do like a first impression on these, let me know. This glitter, ooh, that's buttery. Ooh, that's pigmented. Look at that, really pigmented. I'm gonna do this nice deep burgundy. Ooh, it's a little chalky, but that is pigmented. One more, I want to do like this clear vanilla color. Ooh, that would be so pretty in the brow bone right there. Right there, that's a pretty brow bone color. So I cannot wait. They look very promising, and I cannot wait to try these. I went a little crazy. I wanted to get every color that I was able to see. Was these Stila Shimmer and Glow liquid eyeshadows. I picked up 4, and these are the colors right here. They're really pretty. Look at that. And no lie, these cost me $8.99. I don't know if you guys can like catch the price right there, but these colors are stunning. This one is in Psychic. That is really pretty colors. The next color is Bubblegum, and look at how pretty this one is. It's not as shimmery as the other one, but Jesus, that is really pretty. Pretty gold color. This would be pretty to be all over the lid, right here. Fourth and last color is Enigmatic, and it's this pretty purpley color right there. So these are the 4 colors that I picked up. Really stunning. I cannot wait to try these Stila eyeshadows. Believe it or not, I've never tried none of them. Last product, it is from Laura Geller, and is the Real Deal Concealer, and it looks just like this. And this was retail for $4.99, and is a concealer. I got this one in light, It looks just like this. This is so cute. That's thick. That's really, really thick. I don't know how I'm gonna feel about that. Like, that's really thick. Look at how thick that is. But it looks like it will be like full coverage. I've never tried any of Laura Geller's concealers, so I cannot wait. Look at that. That's thick. Like, I could just keep blending this all over my my hand, and it's pretty light as well. Yeah, that's it for my mini haul. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. For my new subscribers, hi, I'm Gretchen. Thanks for watching, and I will see you guys on my next video. Bye.